Hi everyone. So today we're going to draw a car. So first we're going to start out at the top where the roof would be. We draw just a straight line across like that. And then for the back, this is going to be the back part. So we're going to curve down like this. This is the back windshield. And then for the front, we're just going to curve down just like that. It's going to be where the front windshield is. Then for the front of the car, just come out like this and then curve down like that. And then go ahead and do the back. The back's going to be a little bit more square. That's where we have the trunk. All right, and then we're going to come across here. And then we'll stop about there so we can go ahead and put a wheel. So we're just going to draw a circle for the wheel. And then we'll go ahead and continue over here. And then we'll go ahead and draw another wheel right here. Best of a circle as you can do. Just like that. All right, and then we'll continue on and then just join that line right there. All right, so next we're gonna go ahead and do the windows on the car. So just start here, just kind of like outline the inside of the car that you drew, and then come down. So this is gonna be like the back window of the car. And then we'll start up here, come down, go across, and then just go down like that. And this will be the front window. All right, so next we'll go ahead and do the lights on the car. So for the back, we're just gonna draw a big, like a brake light. And then the front, we're gonna do like a headlamp, and then the little fog lights, fog lamps at the bottom. All right, so next we'll go ahead and do the wheels. So we're gonna just draw a smaller circle on the inside, and then we're gonna do this little design on the inside, which is gonna be where the hubcaps are. So a smaller circle, and then a little hubcap in the middle. All right. So next, the last thing we're going to draw are the doors on the car. So we'll start up here, and then let's go across, come down, across here, go over the wheel, and then just make that meet right there. And then we'll go ahead and draw a little handle. And then for the front, we're going to do the exact same thing. Let's go across, come down, go around the wheel, and then just meet that right there, and then add a little handle. All right, so next we're going to go ahead and outline our car. We've got our black marker. our windows. And our doors. And our lights. And lastly, our wheels. Okay. Oh, and we forgot our little door handles also. All right. So next we're gonna go ahead and erase all those pencil lines that we have in our drawing. And brush all that off. Okay. So for the wheels, the tires, we're obviously gonna do them black. So I'm just gonna use the black marker that I used to outline everything. It's a nice solid black color. We're gonna leave the little hubcaps. We're gonna leave those white. All right, and our other one. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do our brake light at the back. So it's going to be red. And then our little fog light, we're going to make orange. And we're going to just go ahead and leave the brake light white. And then for my color of car, I chose this nice bright blue. Of course, you can color it any color that you want. It's a nice bright color. Maybe not a typical car color, but I thought it was nice. So, you can just color it whatever color you'd like. If you want a pink car or a purple car or, neon yellow car. It's up to you. Whatever you like. Our doors are going to be, of course, the same color. Like that. All the doors. Okay, and I actually think I'm gonna go ahead and color those wheels. The hubcaps, I'm gonna use a gray color to color those, because they're not usually white, so go ahead and color those in gray, just like that. Okay, and we're gonna leave the windows white. So that's how you draw a car. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to see more videos on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.